Bank of America versus TD Bank, which is ultimately better. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which banking platform is better among Bank of America and TD Bank. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Bank of America. Bank of America has extensive network of branches and ATMs across the US, providing convenient access to in-person banking services. Offers a wide array of banking products, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, and investment services through Merrill Lynch. Offers competitive rewards programs, particularly for credit card holders and preferred rewards members. Access to Merrill Edge for investment accounts, providing a seamless integration between banking and investment services. Multiple support channels, including 24/7 customer service, chat, and in branch assistance. Somehow, many Bank of America accounts come with monthly maintenance fees, though these can often be waived with direct deposit or maintaining a minimum balance. As a large national bank, some customers may experience less personalized service and longer wait times for assistance. Savings account interest rates are generally lower compared to those offered by some online banks and other competitors. Now, let's come towards TD Bank. TD Bank, known for its extended banking hours, including weekend availability, making it more convenient for customers with busy schedules. High ratings for customer service with a focus on personalized assistance. Offers specialized services for cross-border banking between the US and Canada, ideal for frequent travelers or those with financial interests in both countries. Provides easy-to-use mobile app with features like mobile check deposit and person-to-person payments. Some accounts offer no foreign transaction fees, which is beneficial for frequent international travelers. Somehow, TD Bank has fewer branches across the US, which might be less convenient for some customers as compared to Bank of America. Some accounts and services may come with higher fees unless minimum balance requirements are met. Choosing between Bank of America and TD Bank depends on your banking needs and preferences. Bank of America is perfect for those who need extensive branch and ATM access, a comprehensive range of financial services, and robust rewards programs. On the other hand, TD Bank is ideal for customers who value extended banking hours, personalized customer service, and cross border banking capabilities. Consider your convenience needs, service preferences, and financial goals to determine which bank aligns best with your requirements. That's all for this video.